Right now we're in the jungle. We have an avalanche of water coming down on us, and the top is off. Oh my god, mate! By the end of the day, this 350Z will no longer be mine. Welcome to the video. So how do you feel about the events that are going to happen today?
Mixed.
Yeah?
I really like that car.
Me too, dude. Alright, that was the first gas stop of the trip. Let's do it. Alright, we're about an hour in. We're doing good. The Z is doing good. I was terrified at first, but this will be the last time I get to drive the car, and it's kind of sad, but continue, onward. Alright, your name's Colton, right?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so the Z, next owner right here.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna see him out the track. You excited having your new car?
Yes, I'm very excited.
Sick. Love that. Well, I'm glad it's going to somebody, especially new into drifting,
Yes,
that
sir.
it's a good car to start on, so sick.
I'm just telling you. Oh, yeah. If you're not wrecking, you're not driving right
Alright. This is the last. First time in the car.
This is a nice trailer. Because you got plenty of room under the engine.
That's what I like is you can just go
Right under.
Oh man. There it goes. Well, congratulations on the new car.
Yes, sir. Thank you. And then if you have any setup questions and stuff,
Okay.
you could probably help me out.
That'd be awesome.
And then you're driving that next event in September?
Yes, sir.
All right, well, give me a ride along, give you some pointers, do whatever you need, but all right, sick.
Yes, sir.
Enjoy it.
Meet you, man.
Nice to meet
Have
you.
fun.
You trying to drive back?
I can drive back.
Sick, don't want to drive right now.
Have fun, guys.
You too, man.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Whoa!
I'm just going to continue to go at this speed.
Right now we're in the jungle. We have an avalanche of water coming down on us, and the top is off. Oh my god, mate!
I forgot a vlog. What's up, guys? Today, I'm gonna be making a video. It's gonna be really boring. We're gonna get to it. So I have tea and more tea. Let me go behind the camera. More tea.
Alright,
Wow.
I'm gonna let you get to it. I'm gonna do a 5-second montage of the place. Alright, you count down. So
You'll see me count down.
yeah.
No, you'll see me.
Oh, you right.
Oh, you got a hella tortilla in your
I got braces, what you expect?
I wanna pick it.
I'll get it. Alright.
No. What's the what's that video with what's that movie with the sewer rats?
Ninja Turtles?
No! Sewer rat.
Oh, Ratatouille.
Claim.
See?
Look just like him, bro. Hold on, wait for the side profile. Wait for the side profile. Hold up. Hold up. Can't do it again.
No, I swear it happened. He sounded just like the Nazi zombies from COD.
Accurate.
I was sprinting.
Breathe, bruh. Why do you hold your breath when you fell?
Smooth shots.
No. No.
It is sad to see the Z gone so soon, but it won't be the last time I see it. Another thing is, all that money I got from the Z is gone. I already spent it, which is bad, but it's fine, because I got, like, good stuff. Stay tuned. As always, I post every single Friday, so stay tuned for next week.
Live your life,
guys. Have fun.
and we'll see you next time.
No, I don't like this at all. Stop it.
Say thank you guys for watching the video.
No,
Say it.
I can't. I look nasty right now.